Long ago, in the ancient land of Israel, a nation stood at the edge of fear. Two armies faced each other across a silent valley. Every morning, and every evening, a giant stepped forward. His name was Goliath, a warrior of great strength, covered in armor. His voice thundered across the battlefield, challenging the people of Israel. The soldiers trembled. Fear filled their hearts. No one dared to stand against him. But in the midst of fear, God was preparing something unexpected. Not a mighty warrior, not a trained soldier, but a young shepherd boy named David. With no sword, no armor, only faith in the living God. This is not just the story of a battle. This is a story of faith overcoming fear. This is the story of David and Goliath. In the valley of Elah, two armies stood facing each other. On one side were the Israelites, the people chosen by God. On the other side stood the Philistines, strong, confident, and ready for war. For 40 days and 40 nights, the valley echoed with fear. Every morning, a giant stepped forward. His name was Goliath. He was huge, covered in bronze armor, his voice shaking the ground beneath him. He shouted, "Choose one man to fight me. If he defeats me, we will serve you. But if I defeat him, you will serve us." And every time Goliath spoke, the hearts of Israel melted with fear. No soldier moved. No sword was raised. Even King Saul was afraid. Far away from the battlefield, a young shepherd boy was tending sheep. His name was David. He was not a soldier. He wore no armor. He carried no sword. One day, his father sent him to bring food to his brothers who were camped at the battlefield. David obeyed. When he arrived at the camp, he heard a voice, a loud, mocking voice. It was Goliath. David watched as the soldiers trembled. He listened as the giant insulted the armies of the living God. And David asked a question that changed history. Who is this Philistine that he should defy the armies of the living God? But his brothers became angry. They said, "Why are you here? Go back to your sheep. You are proud and careless." David felt the pain of rejection, but his faith did not shake. He answered calmly, "Is there not a cause?" Soon, David was brought before King Saul. Saul looked at him and said, "You are only a boy, and Goliath has been a warrior since his youth." But David replied with confidence, "When I was caring for my father's sheep, a lion came and a bear came. I struck them and rescued the lamb. The Lord who delivered me from the lion and the bear will deliver me from this Philistine." Saul looked at David and saw something different. He saw faith. Saul dressed David in royal armor, a helmet, a breastplate, but David could not walk. He removed the armor and said, "I cannot go with these. I am not used to them." Instead of armor, David chose faith. He walked to a nearby stream and picked 5 smooth stones. Not because he doubted God, but because he was prepared. With a sling in his hand and faith in his heart, David walked toward the giant. Goliath saw David and laughed. "Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?" But David answered boldly, "You come to me with sword and spear, but I come to you in the name of the Lord Almighty." As Goliath moved forward, David ran toward him. He placed a stone in his sling, swung it, and released. The stone flew through the air and struck Goliath on the forehead. The giant fell. The earth shook. Fear collapsed. Faith had won. The Philistines fled. Israel shouted in victory. That day, a shepherd became a hero. Not because of strength, but because of faith. And now, listen carefully. What is your Goliath today? Fear, doubt, failure, people who say you are not enough? Remember this. Giants fall when faith stands. If God is with you, no battle is impossible. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more stories of faith and victory.